What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to do image reflections into your Canva. And you can do this into the Canva free in the case that you want, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. So there is two ways. One, it's simpler, and another one, it's more professional, okay? And the one I prefer personally. So let's learn how to do both. First thing, you must upload your image, okay? So review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over upload, and select the image. In my case, I'm gonna choose this one right here, okay? Then, one important thing to do is use the background remover or upload your image already without a background. There is free tools that does that. Now, you're gonna need to duplicate the image. So right click into the image, duplicate, roll over the image, just like this, right click, layer, set to back, then into the image you're going to be able to find the transparency. Click on it and change the transparency of the image. It looks okay, it does the job, but it's not so professional as you think, okay? So how to get this result right here? It's simpler. Go to our Canva, left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over apps. Into search, we're gonna type easy reflections, just like this. Go to this one with the shoe icon. Select the image. You're gonna need to open the app, select the image, and click on create. Then you can choose below, above, left, or right. I prefer above. You can change the offset to make it bigger or less, up to you and to your needs. And you can change the opacity of the reflection. Then click on add to design, and all we have to do now is organize the picture just like this. As you can see, we can get a way better result. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.